Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at Comply's brand new memory foam ear tips for the 3rd gen AirPods Pro. Full disclosure, I paid for these with my own funds and no one is sponsoring this video. I decided to pick these up during the pre-launch promotion in November 2025, and I also added their new cleaning kit which launched at the same time. If you recall in my last video, I compared the ear tips between all 3 generations of the AirPods Pro, and I found the 1st and 2nd gen used the same ear tip connector, while the 3rd gen used a different connector. I think Comply is the first to market with pure memory foam ear tips for the new 3rd gen AirPods Pro, and I'm excited to give them a try, so let's start the unboxing. Inside the box we have some information on how to remove the ear tips with the included tool, which is new. I don't remember the past versions including this. There's also a small brush for cleaning the ear tips, and of course the ear tips themselves. I chose a 3-pack of the medium size since I know that they fit me the best, but you can also get a variety pack which has 1 pair of small, medium, and large, so that you can find the best size that fits you. The foam is exactly what I expect from Comply. It's nice and soft, responsive with a slow rebound to provide a great seal in your ear. Now let's try installing them. To remove the Apple ear tips, you can just pull them straight off, and then to install the new Comply ear tips, they just go straight on, and there's a click. It feels nice and secure. I'm also going to test taking them back off since the very first version they released in 2020 had issues with this. It's actually even easier now that they give you this release tool, but you can also use your fingernails and pull it off that way as well. As always, they fit in the case with no problem. If there's any debris that you need to clear off the ear tips, you can use this little brush, and of course, more information on all of this is covered in the documentation packet that came in the box. Now let's take a look at the multi-purpose cleaning kit. Inside the box we have a small microfiber cloth and 8 pre-moistened cleaning wipes. Comply has always warned against using any kind of cleaning wipes with alcohol since it can degrade the foam, and it looks like their own wipes use a water-based disinfectant. Now it's interesting because the directions card here mentions wet wipes and dry wipes, yet all the wipes I received are exactly the same. And the process of opening the packet, wiping the tips, and throwing the wipe away is exactly the same, so I'm not sure why they had to show that twice. The wipe does work well, it's not too wet, it works fine in the foam tips and the case. Now let's take a look at the cleaning tool, which is the main reason why I purchased this kit. On one side we have a small brush, and on the other side we have a soft spongy tool, which actually I think it's just their memory foam. This was made to clean inside the AirPods case and seems to work really well. For a better test, let me pull out my older AirPods Pro, which the case is a lot dirtier, and yep, it fits inside with ease due to the memory foam, and that seems to collect any dirt and earwax pretty easily. The brush also works well for anything that seems to be stuck and needs a little bit more agitation, and in just a minute or two my old AirPods are looking good as new. The kit also comes with a silicone case for your AirPods. I've never really been a fan of these, but well, let's give it a try. It has cutouts for all the ports, and the case does fit perfectly. It even comes with a little clip that you can use to attach it to a bag or a backpack. There's a rubber flap on the bottom that protects the USB-C port. There's also cutouts for the speakers and the lanyard strap. The LED shines through, and the only issue I'm seeing here is the top part that pushes down on the lid pretty tight, which means that you won't be able to keep the lid open like you can without the case. You'll have to hold it open with one hand and use the other hand for removing the AirPods. I guess they designed it this way so that if you have it clipped on a backpack, the lid won't accidentally open and the AirPods won't spill out. So in conclusion, do I recommend these products? Yes, definitely. Apple's claim of the foam-infused ear tips that come with the new 3rd gen AirPods are really no different than the past silicone tips in my opinion, so if you want the pure memory foam for better fit and seal in your ear for noise cancellation, these tips from Comply are definitely an improvement over the stock ear tips. As for the cleaning kit, if you can get it at a discount, I think that's worth it too, especially for the dual-sided cleaning tool, which makes cleaning the case much easier. So that's it for today. I hope you found this video useful. As always, if you're interested in this product or need anything from Amazon, you can use my affiliated links in the video description. Your price stays the same, but a small commission may come back to me, which helps support the time and effort it takes me to buy these products and make these videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments, and with that, I thank you for watching and have a great day.